Protecting an AI application, especially one that is trained over several years, is more complicated than protecting traditional software. We needed to be sure that our provider could encrypt our Python-based solution and our models. That's what Thales offered us. Our homegrown licensing system only allowed us to sell our software on a one-time or perpetual basis. Now we earn recurring revenue by offering subscription, multi-axis pricing, and different packaging options. Our license provisioning is automatic, and with the Sentinel's customer self-service portal, they can activate their license on their own. They can choose the pricing models they prefer, like perpetual or subscription, feature-based or usage-based. It only took a month to implement. The Thales support team worked closely with us to make sure the platform aligned with our workflow. We didn't need to give up the licensing we had in place. We were able to merge our homegrown licensing along with the Sentinel's licensing. We're gonna expand our businesses to defense, smart home, and manufacturing industries. There are many different types of customers, and with Sentinel licensing platform, it will be much easier for us to provide our software to them.